Yo, what's up guys? I'm going to be turning this block of brass into a beautiful anvil. It's gonna take a lot of sandpaper and everything, but it's gonna end up being really nice. So make sure you stay to the end to see how it turns out. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I have center punched these holes. I need to go ahead and put them by the drill and drill out some holes so that'll be easier to cut. Let's go ahead and put it in the drill press. Alright, so I have drilled out the holes. Time to go ahead and cut around these parts. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the vise and start cutting it. Okay, I have cut out the holes. It is time to start going around the curves. This is gonna take so long, and the metal is actually super slippery. You start your cut and it feels fine at first, but then it actually feels like you're slicing through butter, but then it doesn't feel like you're cutting at all. But then you look at the metal and you're cutting. It's a very weird material to work with. I'm not sure if it's bronze or brass, but I'll find out soon. Okay, I have made the last cut and it has gone through there. I'm going to start milling this part off. It's going to be rather difficult though because I've never used a milling machine. Alright, I'm just gonna and this did a good job until the milling tool died. Alright guys, so I have finished off cutting out this part. Once I've done the other part, I will start to file it to shape. I've cut along there and I need to cut along here now, so I will just go ahead. It's going to take a few more minutes, maybe half an hour. Alright guys, so I finished shaping this off, I finished cutting it out, the general shape of it. Now I need to start rounding off these areas, filing on the inside, that kind of stuff. Alright guys, so I have finished just sanding on the surface of this. This is not entirely even, so I'm just gonna go ahead and find a semi-round headed file to match it up. Alright, so I found out this wasn't level, so I've got a crazy amount of filing to do. I've done most of it, and now I need to go ahead and sort out this area that's curved, that isn't. So I think I'll just put a tiny little curve to make it even. File this out. Alright guys, I have made a lot of progress. My clothes are very shiny though, but this is working very nicely. It's coming along very nicely. I just got a bit more shaping to do. Then I can start the hand sanding and shaping the rest of the anvil. It's gonna take a few more minutes and I just need to go ahead and dust myself off. This project has required so much more filing and shaping than any of the other projects I've ever done. I've finished off shaping the horn. It's a lot rounder now. Now I need to go ahead and start sanding down all the little divots and holes inside of this so that I can get a really shiny finish. I'm going to be using this sanding machine and then I can start to polish it up and use finer grits of sandpaper. So let's go. Safety first. Alright, so my teacher came up with this really great idea to get a wooden dowel like this and wrap some sandpaper around it and then put it inside a compressed air drill bit, and then I can get nicely in between the grooves. So that's what I've been doing and it's coming along really nicely. Let me just show you really quickly. Yep, so here it is. It is very nice and it's coming along very nicely. I'm going to be intentionally leaving those grooves in and everything to give it that kind of used look. Yeah, so it's been a few weeks since I've last come here. I'm going to go ahead and finish off my project. I've actually got a really sore throat. My throat's hurting like crazy. Hopefully I can get this project done by the end of the day. My woodwork teacher, or metalwork teacher, bought me this. It's like a Dremel. So I can finish off sorting out in between these gaps. So I may as well just stop wasting some time and get it done. I'll be able to start the next project once I finish this one. So let's go! Alright guys, thanks for watching. This was a really interesting project. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new. Also comment down below if you want me to make anything next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.